Yo guys, welcome to the trade recap of today. We are 5th of March 2026 and we took this long that got break even unfortunately after getting edged. So I'm gonna go over why I took this trade, why I got stopped out, why I know I got stopped out, and why my bias is wrong. So coming into the day, of course you guys see here I'm trading ES. I've started a new thing where I can trade ES and NQ if the conditions are right. Okay, because if something is gonna deliver on ES or NQ, it's going to deliver on the other asset, okay? Most of the time, okay? So coming into the day, we had this 4-hour bullish gap that we were holding. We were holding because we were rejecting these lows. Like these lows, the way we just wigged them, not a single candle closure like under this gap. So what does that mean for me? That we're going to be super bullish towards maybe this drawn liquidity. Maybe, maybe like these draws in liquidity this high, or like this range we could have rebalanced. So that's why I was so bullish coming into the morning, but obviously we were bearish. My bias was wrong. Okay, I'm gonna go over why I think my bias was wrong, but first I'm gonna go over my trade. So my trade was just a continuation model. So price started really rallying up and we had this perfect continuation. We tapped back into the 5-minute unfilled gap and we had this really nice V-shaped recovery for me to look at this and be like, okay, longs make sense, right? And then I scale down to the 3-minute. What do I see? A 3-minute IVG here. You guys might not see it here because we are on ES, micro ES. But if you look at the real ES asset, we have this, the gap looks more obvious on this really small gap, whatever. But there was an inverse, so I took it. Then I got unfortunately break even after we hit this internal liquidity. And my drawn liquidity initially was London highs. I'm not gonna aim for a 1 to 3 RR. I don't really care about this big RR. I just wanted this intermediate high to get hit, and then I was out. And then I was out of the trade. I was happy with my day. But what happened was actually we had an S&T with London. At the time, I really didn't look too much at NQ. When I entered, I didn't look at NQ if you were close to like hitting London highs. But we did hit London highs, and I was so bullish because of these London highs. Why? Because when market opened, we manipulated inside of this these London lows, took that liquidity out. What's next? We have London highs right above. We have all this LRL too. So I really wanted longs today, and I should have switched my bias to shorts after we hit London highs. Why? Because if you just look at NQ, look at the narrative. We have an S&T with London highs, so ES did not hit it. That means there's a lack of volatility, lack of bullish strength, let's say, and we just inversed this on the I think there was a 5-minute. Yeah, there's like this 5-minute inverse was really clean, but I didn't take it. There was also this 50-minute unfilled gap, so this could have been like a really nice break even or just drawn liquidity in general. So next time what I'll do is just not marry my bias and actually like adapt on what the market is giving me. I was too stuck up on London highs, even if there was an S&T at our highs. So next time I'll make sure to not do that. And of course we're learning. So if you guys have any questions, just list me on Discord. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade.